Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to Somali Essentials. Today we're going to be learning how to apply adjectives. Without further ado, let's jump right in. You can modify nouns and verbs to become adjectives by adding the suffix an or san to the end of the word. We have the examples on the left, hid for this, farah, and quruh, which means to close, to open, to build, to be happy, and beauty. And to the right, we have hidan, furan, thisan, farahsan, quruhsan, which means closed, open, built, happy, and beautiful. In Somali, the adjective follows the noun. We have the following examples: Ninder, a tall man; Gurifog, a far house; Gurigafog, the far house; and Shimbertan Mado, which means this blackbird. And lastly, to have a plural in Somali, you need to add a prefix to the word, and that prefix is the first syllable of the word you're using. So we have the examples Quruhsan, Hudud, Usub, and Yar, which means beautiful, easy, new, and small. And to the right, we have Quruhsan, Hud, Fudud, Usub, and Yar, which means beautiful, easy, new, and small, but for the plural. It's referencing a plural. Alright, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'll come back with a new video, and until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.